Bitcoin is still not really doing anything after getting this small bounce from this level of support and after trading inside of this weekend. Now, I do still think that this is going to be the Bitcoin calm before the storm and a massive move is around the corner. So it is going to be important to not be getting fooled. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be that next Bitcoin move? So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yeah, in that short term, not much is happening right now. We are still just bouncing ever so slightly from this level of support over here. And we are still going to be waiting for that next Bitcoin move. Bitcoin has been getting in towards these oversold levels on the RSI indicator. So yeah, a bounce has been getting inevitable. Bitcoin has been perfectly trading inside of another weekend, consolidating it around that semi-close price, played out exactly as expected. Now, I think that either one of these scenarios is going to be very likely to be playing out. Either this scenario over here or this scenario over here. Now, I will be explaining that exactly in today's update video, but one thing is going to be for certain, it's going to be very important to not get fooled over here, because after this move, well, another bullish move towards the upside is going to be inevitable, so do not get shaken out right now. We are still trading inside of this bull market. We are still looking extremely bullish over here. I'm not going to be bearish at all. Trump is going to be entering office right now in 1 week from now. This is going to be mega bullish. So guys, let's have a look into these charts. First of all, having a look into this chart over here, well, we are making a triple tap bottom setup over here. This is a textbook pattern like you can be seeing over here with decreasing volume, triple bottom price pattern, creating a little bit of a range over here, only tapping the top side of the range 1 time and tapping the bottom side of this range 3 times. And that is exactly what we are doing right now, creating a little bit of a range, tapping the top side of the range 1 time, tapping the bottom side right now 3 times. So if we're going to be having a look into this textbook pattern, it's going to be inevitable that we are already going to be seeing a move towards the upside right now. Now, I do think that this could be happening. We could already be seeing this move towards the upside right now, but I, in my personal opinion, do not think it's going to be very likely. I think something like this is going to be more likely. It's going to be more to be expected, in my opinion, for me. And why do I think so? Well, because the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at that downside. And also on top of that, we've always seen a shakeout before the real breakout towards the upside. We've always grabbed that downside liquidity before initiating that next leg towards the upside. So I do not see any reason why this time is going to be different. So that's going to be one of the reasons why I do still think that a move towards the downside is going to be very likely over here. I'm not going to say it is going to happen, because this scenario could also very well just play out over here, but just indicates that if you're going to be grabbing that downside liquidity, that's going to be the perfect and best opportunity in the market. A lot of liquidity is piling up on the downside. So yeah, this would be that perfect scenario and that perfect opportunity that would be playing out over here. So that is exactly going to be the reason why I'm going to be saying do not get fooled over here. Even if we're going to be seeing a little bit of a downwards move in the short term, well, eventually we're still going to be getting another move towards the upside. Eventually, if we're going to be seeing the shakeout, well, it's just going to be the shakeout before the real breakout towards the upside. So do not get fooled right now. Do not get shaken out. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now, if this opportunity is going to be coming up, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming $30 completely for free only by depositing $50. So that is absolutely insane. Deposit $50, get $30 completely for free only with that link down below. So make sure to be checking it out. Also, make sure to be checking out if it's going to be available in your country. If Blofin is going to be available in your country, well, then you can be claiming this insane deposit bonus. But if it's not going to be available in your country, unfortunately, you cannot claim it, and you can be checking out Bybit with that second link down below. So anyways, still, alt season is just around the corner. It is literally about to happen right now. I've been saying it many times. The Bitcoin dominance has already been peaking out, but the real true altcoin season is about to be starting. If we're going to be having a look into the Ethereum chart, well, Ethereum is also exactly repeating history over here. We are also kind of making the same similar kind of setup over here with the triple tap bottom setup. But for Ethereum, this is actually also exactly repeating history with this fractal that we have been creating from 2023 to 2024. And right now we are creating the same exact fractal exactly right now. So looking very good. Let's see if this Ethereum fractal is going to be getting repeated. And if we're going to be having a look into the total crypto market cap chart, we are about to be breaking outside of this massive level of resistance, breaking above our previous all-time high. Looking very good. Now, one thing that I do want to be mentioning is that everyone thinks that the next phase in the Bitcoin market or in the crypto market will be kind of easy mode. And yes, it will be very easy to make a lot of profit. It will be very easy to make a lot of money. But in my opinion, 2025 will actually bring kind of hard mode, because taking your profits, that will be the hardest thing to do. A lot of people will be making a lot of money, but also a lot of people will be round tripping all of their money. It will be very easy to make a lot of money, but it will be very hard to keep your money. So keep that in mind. The next phase will be bringing kind of easy mode, but also hard mode at the same time. It will be hard to be taking your profits. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.